are imposed by the statutes, charter, or commission under which the court is constituted and may be extended or restricted by like means. We emphasize that if no restriction or limit is imposed, the jurisdiction is said to be unlimited. The petition goes further, but that is the emphasis statement. It is undisputed that the impeachment of the Deputy President is a constitutional process outlined in Article 145 of the Constitution. The authority to determine whether the merits and procedures of such an impeachment process align with constitutional requirements therefore falls squarely within the jurisdiction of the High Court as provided for under Article 165(3)(2). The role of the courts in an impeachment process was reiterated by the Supreme Court in the case of Sonko versus Clark County Assembly of Nairobi. That is another quotation that we have reproduced in our ruling when you get to read it. The court went on to state that the impeachment architecture in the Constitution, the law, and the standing orders leaves no doubt that removal of a governor relates to accountability, political governance, and personal responsibility, and not necessarily about criminal responsibility. It follows that insofar as the process of removal of a governor from office is concerned, the court's role is confined to deciding whether the governor's constitutional rights and fundamental freedoms have been breached in the process and whether the procedures for removal from office have been followed without the court constituting itself into any of the two constitutional organs in whose hands the power to remove is vested. While we acknowledge that this referenced decision pertains to the impeachment of a governor, we maintain that the same constitutional principles apply to the impeachment of a deputy president. And accordingly, we do hereby find and hold that this court has the jurisdiction to sit and determine the matter that is before it.
The second issue is whether the matters raised in the consolidated petitions are justiciable.